Welcome everyone to our YouTube series, Test Prep Made Easy. So in this particular series, we are going to post regularly questions on our YouTube channel. The questions may pertain to CAT preparation, maybe pertaining to GMAT preparation, as well as of various topics which are tested in these particular exams. For example, quants, LRDI, English, and various areas which are tested. And each day we will handle certain number of questions and their video solutions. The best approach is to these questions in these videos. So have a happy preparation ahead and enjoy the video. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the Elasset that we are going to discuss in this video. Hopefully you have already tried it from the thumbnail itself. If you haven't, you can pause the video at this point. We recommend you to try it once before you watch the solution. And if you just want to enjoy the solution, you're welcome to do the same thing. Just go ahead and watch the solution, which will be starting now. All right. In this Elasset, we have been provided that there are 5 students who are ranked from 1 to 5 in 5 different subjects among. So there is some allocation of ranks among these 5 people. Great. Numerically lower rank is considered a better rank. That is pretty obvious, right? 1 is better than 2, 2 is better than 3, obviously. No 2 of the 5 students received the same rank in any subject, and no student got the same rank in any 2 subjects. Okay, so whenever I'm reading this particular information, the first thing that comes to my mind is it's a Sudoku thing that is going to happen. So for example, in this particular set, so if I take a note of the people out here, so Abhinav, Akhil, Aman, okay, Anand and Anurag both are with AN. So I'm just writing AND for Anand and ANU for Anurag or something. And there are these 5 subjects. So English, Hindi, mathematics, science, and social. I will write this properly, just for explanation bit. You have to, enter the ranks out here. This is what you are going to solve for. That is what our target will be to solve for. And the main thing is this is going to act as a Sudoku, sort of a Sudoku. The idea being that every row we are going to have different entries, and every column we are going to have different entries. So if you read this particular part again, so it has been mentioned that no 2 of the 5 students, received the same rank in any subject. So if I look at column wise, so for example, English is a subject, no 2 people can receive the same rank. Now, please understand there are 5 students for each subject. So every subject you will have the 5 ranks 1 to 5. So that has also been mentioned in the set initially. They have been ranked from 1 to 5. So for the English column, in this entire column, you're going to have all the different numbers 1 to 5, right? Somebody is going to get a 1, somebody is going to get a 2, and so on and so forth. And same thing, if you continue reading this particular sentence, there are no student who get the same rank in any 2 subjects. So for example, if you look at Abhi, now the ranking thing, by default, you might take an assumption, but this case, never take this assumption. I mean, so it has been specifically mentioned, but if this is not mentioned, then do not assume that every person should get a distinct rank. So for example, in this particular row, we can have identical ranks if this thing was not mentioned. But here, because it says no student got the same rank in any 2 subjects, for example, Abhi will not get the same rank in both, let's say English or English and Hindi, both English and mathematics. So any 2 subjects are going to be different rank. But since every value out here is from 1 to 5 only, and for Abhi also you have 5 different subjects, so all the numbers from 1 to 5 are actually going to appear. So every row is going to have all the numbers from 1 to 5, and every column is going to have all the numbers from 1 to 5. So that is the reason I've written that thing Sudoku in short. So whenever I'm looking at that, I understand that, okay, so this is the idea that is going to appear. So no repetition in row, no repetition in column. That is the main idea. So let me convert this table visually a little better, and then let me get into the additional information. All right, let us try and allocate using the additional information that we have. We just have 4 points. And by the way, I've kept some space below the table as well. I will use this part for the rough work. If required, I will utilize this part. I've not kept any space out here, but it is a good practice to do that. I had a bit of space crunch. So if I have some additional information related to the row, then I'll extend that and just plug in. But for the column, I've already done this. So if required, we will again any additional information which I cannot put in directly in the table that I'll plug in below the table. So later on when I'm solving it, it's easy for me to understand. Okay, point number 1 says Anand received 3rd rank in Hindi. So this is a direct one. Anand in Hindi gets the 3rd rank. So this is a 3rd rank. And he received a better rank than Akhil in only social and mathematics. So if he's getting a better rank, now please understand when I'm finally solving this particular set, I will be focusing on the values itself, right? I would not be caring about rank or anything. So when I'm writing anything extra, so whatever I'm collecting at this point of time, if I'm writing anything extra, I should take into account from the value point of view. So for example, if Anand, so point number 1, and he is indicating Anand out here. So Anand received a better rank than Akhil in only social and mathematics. So better rank is lower in value, isn't it? So Anand in social and so let me write this in social, better rank than Akhil, right? So that should be less than Akhil. So I'm just writing AK for short for Akhil here. And in mathematics, right? So Anand receives better rank than Akhil in mathematics also. I will write this properly as well. Just bear with me. So you have Anand less than Akhil and Anand less than Akhil in these two. But that is only in. So this also says only in social and mathematics. What it indirectly or implicitly means is that in the other 3 subjects, so the remaining 3 subjects or the remaining 3 columns, Akhil is better than Anand, right? So gets a lower value in terms of rank than Anand. So just bear with me. I mean, understand why while I'm collecting it, I will write this properly later on. So this is what is given to us, right? Okay. Point number 2 says Abhinav received first rank in neither science nor Hindi. So Abhinav is the first row. It's talking about science and Hindi. So in science and Hindi, Abhinav did not receive rank 1. So I'm just collecting this by using this symbol. So I use this symbol for not. So I'm just writing this as not 1 and not 1. So later on, I know that this particular value cannot be 1. But he received, so continuing this point, but he received 2nd rank in either social or mathematics. So now this is not definite, right? So I mean, you can have a 2 here or a 2 here. So how do you collect that? So this is what I was saying. So in this case, I have to extend this a bit. So I'll just write it in this manner. So he gets a 2 in either math or in social. So when I'm reading this, I know later on that he receives the rank 2 in either math or social. So let me write this M properly. So math or social. Okay, SO for social. Great. Let's look at the next point. Anurag received a better rank than Akhil in social. Okay, so this is again about this column. So I have to collect this below the table. So Anurag received a better rank than Akhil. So Anurag, I'll write this as something like this. Better than Akhil. So less than Akhil in social. And while the rank received by Anurag in English was the same as that received by Abhinav in mathematics. Okay, so Anurag in English is this particular value is same as that received by Abhinav in mathematics. So that is this value, right? Now again, I don't know the value. So what I'll do is I'll just indicate this with an X and the same X here. So I'm not going to use the variable to solve it, but when I look at this later on, I know that both of these are same value. So that is point number 3. Point number 4 says Akhil received 4th rank in science. Okay, so that's a definite one. Akhil receives 4th rank in science. This I can use straight away. Na? So if you look at this, Akhil is less than Anand, right? So Anand has to be 5. I mean, typically I don't do these kind of things in the first go, but because this is so direct that I've just written it. So Akhil is less than Anand, right? If Akhil is 4, the only possible value for Anand is 5. All the values are 1 to 5. So great. So this gives us a couple of things. And received a better rank than Abhinav in mathematics. Okay, so this is about the mathematics column. So Akhil is better than mathematics. This is talking about Akhil received the 4th rank in science and received. So this is talking about Akhil. So Akhil received a better rank than Abhinav. So Akhil received a better rank than Abhinav in mathematics. So that is all the information. Let me just make this thing a little proper. I'll leave this one as it is and the rest of it as it is. I'll just write this a bit properly and then I'll continue with the analysis. All right, so that's what I did. I hope this is visible now. By the way, I've already taken this thing into account, so I don't require this. So I'm just scratching this out. What else can we figure out? So first thing, I am pondering on the additional information that we have. So Anand, we already know this particular value, and Akhil also we know this particular value. So this is done for, right? So what else do we know? So Akhil and Anand, there are a lot of this comparison going on, right? So if we think in lines of the extreme rank or something. So for example, where can Akhil receive the 1st rank and where can Akhil receive the 5th rank? Because neither of that is known to us, right? So Akhil receiving the 1st rank, for example, see here or here, Akhil cannot receive the 1st rank because Anand is something lower than Akhil, right? So if Akhil receives the 1st rank, I'll just write AK for Akhil. Okay. So Akhil receives the 1st rank in either this subject or this subject, right? Either English or Hindi. These are the only 2 feasibilities. Why so? Because Akhil cannot receive the 1st rank here or the 1st rank here. This one is anyhow known to us, so don't ponder on that. So Akhil can receive the 1st rank in either English or Hindi, right? So this is one thing that we can say for sure. Similarly, Akhil's 5th rank is not known to us. So let us think about that. So I'm just looking at the extreme thing because that is something we can definitely come to some conclusion. So same idea. So Akhil cannot have the 5th rank in these 2 things, right? Because Anand has to be more in value than Akhil. So if Akhil receives 5, then what does Anand get? You cannot get a 6th rank, right? There are just 5 ranks feasible out here. So Akhil can receive the 5th rank in either math or in social, right? Also, Akhil cannot actually receive the 5th rank in math if you look at this part, because Abhi has to be greater than Akhil, right? So the only place where Akhil can receive the 5th rank is in social. So let's plug that. So we now know that Akhil receives a 5th rank in the social, right? And now if we think about this, see, Anand is less than Akhil. See, whenever I plug in any value, I always ponder on what changed because of that value. So this is something you can always take a make a habit of whenever you're solving a number distribution kind of set. So whenever you're entering something, because of that, whatever changed. So when I'm entering this 5 here, I know this is in this particular row and it is in this particular column, right? This particular this 5. Now, for this row, we don't have any additional information as of now. But for this column, we have this thing already taken a note of, right? So what actually changed because of that? Now, if you look at this information, what was given? Anand's value is less than Akhil and Anurag's value is less than Akhil. But the important part is Akhil is already getting a 5, right? So whatever Anand gets and Anu gets, it's anyhow going to be less than 5. So again, I'm going to discard this information because this is not useful to me anymore. And also, by the way, I hope you know or understand this is a very logical thing. From these 2 information, we cannot compare Anand and Anurag, right? Both are less than Akhil, but we don't know the relative comparison between Anand and Anurag any which way. So let us ignore this. So that is gone because whether we use it or not, it really doesn't make any difference. So what else can we say? So Akhil getting a 5 is already known to us. Akhil gets a 1 in either of these 2. We don't know for sure which one that is. So let's look at other things that we can figure out. As I was saying earlier, let's look at Anand's row as well. So the same kind of thing. See, Anand's row, we already know where the 5 is, right? So let's try to figure out where Anand. So I'm just writing A and D for Anand. Where can he get a 1? Now, Anand cannot receive a 1 here or here, right? Because again, same idea. Then what does Akhil get? So Anand has only one position to get. No, actually, Anand can get 1 here or here. So Anand can get a 1 in math or in social, right? So look at the row, that will be easy to understand. So Anand cannot get a 1 here. That is the empty space. Akhil has to get less than Anand. But here or here, Anand can actually get a 1. So there are still couple of possibilities. There is one other information that I've not accounted for, two other actually. First, let me look at this part. So Abhi is getting the rank 2 in either math or in social. So either of these two values is a 2, right? Also, if you look at Abhi, there is an information here as well about Abhi. And there is couple of sequencing that is given. So let me try to merge this. I mean, this can be actually merged. So this is for the math column. So for the math column, we have Anand less than Akhil, which in turn is less than Abhi, right? So this is what we have. Now, the important part to note that because Abhi can get the second rank in either math or social, one thing I can definitely ignore is that Abhi cannot get a second rank in math, because if Abhi gets a second rank, for example, then both of these have to be less than Abhi, right? So you don't have two ranks which are less than 2 any which way. So Abhi cannot get a 2 in math, which indirectly means that Abhi gets a 2 in the social. So this information is now taken up. So we now know that Abhi is getting 2 in social. And also, as I mentioned this earlier, because I've plugged in this 2, so I'll look for whatever changed because of that. So if you look at the Abhi's row, so Abhi's row, you have these two things, right? So this one cannot appear in Hindi or in science. Also important to note, Abhi cannot get a 1 here as well. Same logic, right? This is the math thing that I earlier took a note of. So if Abhi gets a 1, then that is very silly, right? So Abhi cannot get a 1 here, cannot get a 1 here, and because of this link that is provided, cannot get a 1 here as well. So Abhi must get a 1 in English, right? So this is for sure. So that much we can say for sure. And what can we say about this particular information? Let's look at that. And also there are a couple of things that we know about Akhil and Anand. So let's try to figure that out. So remember that Akhil got or can receive a first rank in either English or Hindi, right? But if you look at the English column, again, we have just entered this value. So think about what changed because of that. Akhil cannot get a 1 again here, right? So there cannot be a couple of ones out here. So English cannot be 1 for Akhil. So Hindi has to be 1. So this is 1. And by the way, because I put in this 1 here, I'll just take these two informations out because that is not relevant anymore for the analysis bit. So that much is done. So this thing is also taken up. So Akhil is getting 1 in Hindi, right? Okay. And again, this Akhil is less than Anand. So this is already both are taken into account. So let me just take this off as well. So now let us try to hit on the Sudoku bit, because ultimately, I mean, it's a Sudoku, right? So we have to understand that what values can we actually plug in for each and every this thing. So for example, if I look at this particular cell, so look for those rows and columns which has the most number of entries. So for example, this column has this row has 3 entries already, but this column has just 1 entry. So that is not helping us. And even there's a repetition of 1 and 1. So this kind of thing, if you practice Sudoku, this becomes a little easy to understand. I am hitting directly here because you'll realize that there are 2 values already put in this particular column and 2 values in this row, right? And all these values, this 1, 2, 4, 5 are distinct. So the importance of that, you'll understand now. Because there is already a 4 and 5 here, you cannot have a 4 or 5 here. And because there is already a 1 and 2 in this row, you cannot have a 1 or 2 here. So 1, 2, 4, 5 all are eliminated. The only thing left out is 3. So this value has to be 3, right? So that is pretty easy. Now, what else can we do? Well, we have taken this thing for math separately, but this relation that we had for the English column, we have not actually taken that into account as of now, right? So let's look into that a little bit more. So Akhil has to be less than Anand in this case. Now notice Anand, for Anand that is, the 3 is already gone and the 5 is already gone, right? So this Anand value here cannot be 3 or 5. Interestingly, here Anand cannot be 2 as well, because if Anand is 2, then Akhil has to be 1. Then you again have a repetition of 1 here, here, as well as here and here. So Anand cannot be 2. So the only rank that is feasible out here for Anand is 4. So this has to be 4. Now that actually doesn't solve a lot of things, but to some extent we are getting something out here, right? So let us look at this XX relationship. So what is this X and X? So these two are same, right? So you have this 1, 3, and 2 here. So the X cannot be 1, 2, 3. Similarly, in this particular column, the X cannot be 4 as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4 gone. The only thing left out is 5, right? Because these two have to be the same value. So I'm looking in that way. This is not pure Sudoku, but this was an additional thing that was mentioned, right? So let me repeat that. So you have this X out here. So look at this row, because this column anyhow doesn't have any more entries. So look at this row. So 1, 2, 3 are all off. So X cannot be 1, 2, 3. And because of this column, X cannot be 4 as well. So X has to be 5, right? So this has to be 5 and this has to be 5. So you can take this part off as well. So this is what we obtain. And obviously in Abhi's column, everything is filled out except for 4. Just put that 4 here. I'm just focusing on Sudoku right now because a lot of things are already solved out. For example, if you look at this row, there are 2 entries missing. There will be a 1 and a 2. Now 2 cannot come here because there is already a 2 in this column. So you must get a 2 here. And obviously that leaves a 1 here. So this is completely solved. What else? We have this particular column. No, not doesn't help me. Okay, yeah. So if you look at this Hindi column, so we have 1, 3, 4, 2 and 5 remaining. 5 cannot appear here. So 5 has to go here and 2 must then go here. Now I think everything will be solved. Look at the science column. So there is a 2 missing in the science column. This 2 is blocking a 2 here. So obviously the 2 must go here and then you have 1 here. Now, since there are 4 ones already entered, there has to be 1, 1 missing, and that should take up this position. Look at all the rows and all the columns. That's the only position 1 can enter. What else do we have missing? Okay, let's look at row wise. So 1, 4, 5, we have 2 and 3 missing in Akhil's row. 2 and 3 missing. 2 cannot come here for Akhil. So it must be 2 here and 3 here. And in this particular column, only 3 is missing. In this particular column, only 4 is missing. And this row, only 3 is missing. This row, only 4 is missing. So that's the entire set. So the last part was purely Sudoku. So just have to think row and column distinct values. That's all. So the better you, I mean, the more practice you have in Sudoku, that will be helpful in these kind of sets a lot. So yeah, that's it for this particular solution. Let's look into the questions quickly. I'll just convert this into a proper thing and then let's get into the questions. All right, so we have these numbers written. So let me write the numbers properly as well. And now let us look at each of the questions. So the first question is asking for which rank did Aman receive in Hindi? So pretty direct question. So we are looking for Aman's rank in Hindi, and that is the 5th rank. So that will be option C. Second question, in which of the following subjects did Akhil receive a better rank than Aman? So Akhil receives a better rank than Aman. Okay, so we are comparing these two rows, right? So in which of the following subjects, by the way? So Akhil gets a better rank in English and in Hindi. So only in these two subjects than Aman, right? So out of this, we have English. So that is the answer, option A. This one asks for who among the 5 students received the first rank in English? Who among the 5 students received the first rank? Okay, so we're looking for first rank in English, right? So Abhi. So that's the answer, option B. Yeah, Abhinav was the full name, by the way. So let's look at the next question. Okay, so which of the following statements is true? So we have to look into options. So first option is asking for Abhinav received a better rank than Aman in mathematics. Abhinav, so mathematics, so let's compare Abhinav. Abhinav cannot be better than anybody, right? Because in mathematics, Abhinav gets a 5. So this is incorrect. D is saying Anand received the same rank in size as Anurag in social. So Anand in science is 5 and Anurag in social is not 5. So that is also incorrect. So we can eliminate this also. C is saying Aman received a better rank in English than Anurag in Hindi. So Aman in English is 3 and Anurag in Hindi is 2. So 3 is not better than 2. 3 is actually worse than 2. So C is out. Has to be D. Let's check that out. Akhil received a better in English than Anurag in mathematics. So Akhil in English is 2 and Anurag in mathematics is 4. Yeah, 2 is actually better than 4. So option D is the correct answer here. So pretty straightforward questions. I mean, in these kind of sets, typically this is what is going to happen. So once you solve the set, the questions will be pretty straightforward. You just have to dedicate time to solve the set. And these kind of sets appear in CAT every now and then. So there are a lot of variations on this idea. Lot of different ideas can be actually developed where you have the Sudoku thing happening. So each row, each column will have different entries. Hopefully this was fun to understand and I hope that everything was understood. If you have any queries or anything, then do let us know in the comment section. We will take each and every comment into account. Thanks for joining in.
Hopefully you liked the solutions we provided for these questions. And if you did like it, do not forget to like the video and share, subscribe and comment. Do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. In that case, you'll get notification as soon as we upload a new video. And if you want to check a bouquet of courses that we provide, so we have a huge variant of courses from customizability to full preparation. You can check our website www.mathoratory.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. And have an enjoyable preparation ahead. Welcome to the Math Oratory family and have a good exam ahead.